I think most individuals are sensitive enough to perceive their own small little weaknesses. And when we meditate, they get highlighted. Meditation somehow highlights all those mistakes before we commit them to change individuals one person at a time. It's a challenging job, um, and I don't uh, say that we'll be successful. I doubt it very much. Don't think that I'm very negative, but that's a reality of our lives. If Lord Krishna could not change even one person, what are we in the whole equation? No? You see, Duryodhan, he was confessing to Lord Krishna, Sir, I know my weaknesses, but I am unable to help myself. Then too Lord Krishna could not help him. See. Though everyone wants to change like Duryodhan, but this inner, the, the, I would say, the sincerity with which one is seeking this change, that lack of sincerity, I think, destroys everything. See. So if a person is really sincere about changing oneself, you see, we cannot change the whole team in one go. In management, in today's management, the little part of it is if someone makes a mistake, mercilessly crucify that person. See, when I'm supposed to do something today, and during my morning meditation, I get to think about my whole day's activity. When I scan through it, what can go wrong, what can go right, where I can improve, then meditation will help.
Sure.
You see, so we have to tell them meditation is not. I mean, it's for everything. You want to improve your activities. You want to understand higher self. You want to become more balanced. You want to bring peace in your life. And if you still have some higher goal, that means higher level of sacrifice will be needed. Things like liberation, God realization. Smaller goals do not require tremendous sacrifice. Maybe some little inconvenience, that's all. But higher goal will demand something of that nature.